Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about surface area in rectangular prisms. Our essential question is, what is the difference between lateral surface area and total surface area? Okay, so let's first find out what a lateral face is. So a lateral face is going to be a face of a prism that is not the base. So it's everything around it, but it's not the base. Okay, so if we put lateral face and lateral surface area together, then the lateral surface area is going to be the total area of the lateral faces of a 3D object. Okay, and surface area is just going to be the total area of the surface of the 3D object. Okay, so we will have two formulas. We're going to have one for our lateral surface area, and that's going to be capital P times H. And our total surface area is going to be capital P lowercase h plus 2b. Okay. And let's see what capital P, H, and capital P lowercase h and capital B are. So P is going to be the perimeter of the base, and in this case it might be a square or a rectangle. H is going to be the height of the prism. Okay, is the distance between the bases. Okay. And then the capital B is going to be the area of the base, which will be either a square or a rectangle in our case. Okay. So let's do a few questions together. Let's start with this one. We're going to find the lateral surface area and the total surface area. Okay, and so let's first start with our lateral surface area, and our formula is capital PH. Remember, capital P is the perimeter of the base, and the base here is going to be this part right here, right? This is the base. So if we look at P, we're going to find the area of that base. So we have 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. Because remember, perimeter is all the way around, and these are the sides, right? So when I add all those up, I should get a 20. And my height, I know, is this 5. So all I have to do is I'm going to get my P, and I'm going to multiply by my H. So I get 20 times 5. And that's going to give me 100. And then my units is centimeters, and I'm area, so it's going to be centimeters squared. Okay, so that is my lateral surface area. Let's find our total surface area. It's saying pH plus 2b. We already found pH. We found pH right here. Okay, so pH, I'm going to note that down. That pH is going to be 100. And B, we got to find B. And reminder, B is going to be the area of the base. So we have the base, which is highlighted in yellow. And to find the area, we're going to multiply 6 times 4. Right? And when we multiply 6 times 4, we get 24. And then we can go ahead and get our formula. So we got pH, which is 100, plus a 2b. So 2 times 24. And then if you want to simplify that, we can have 100 plus 24 times 2 is going to give us 48. And then when we add them together, we should get 148. And so our answer, don't forget our units, is going to be centimeters squared. All right. Let's try this one. So again, we're going to find lateral surface area and total surface area. Lateral is just going to be the lateral faces. It does not include the bases, right? So our base is going to be this right here. Okay. So P, capital P, is always perimeter of the base. Perimeter here is 6, 3, 6, 3. Right? So if I add those together, 6, 3 plus 6, 3, it should give us 18. And our height is this 4 right here. So our height is 4. So when we put P times H together, we will have 18 times 4. And that is 72. And so our answer is 72 centimeters squared. That is our lateral surface area. Our total surface area, we're going to have pH, which we already found. It's 72. We need to find our base. Remember, capital B is going to be our area of the base. This is our base right here. So our area will be 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 is going to give us 18. And so we can put our total area, pH plus 2B, or our total area is 72 plus 2 times 18. Right, because remember, pH is 72, and our B is 18, and then we still have just a regular 2. When we put that in the calculator, we should get 108 centimeters squared. Right. Let's do this one where it says the lateral surface area of a prism is 475 inches squared. Find the height of the prism. So here they give us the lateral surface area, and it's 475 inches squared. Okay, so I want to list out everything that I have. The lateral surface area is 475. I know that. Okay, P, capital P, is going to be the perimeter of the base. My base is right here at the bottom, so my perimeter would be 8 plus 11 plus 8 plus 11, because over here we have 8 and here we have 11 as well. So our P is going to be 38 when we add all those up. Okay, and then our height, that's the one that we don't know. Okay, so if I put these into the formula, this is what I have. I have 475 is equal to 38, which is our P, and then times height. So I need to find out what can I multiply 38 with to get 475. Okay, the easiest way to do that is to do the opposite of multiplication, which is divide by 38 on both sides. Okay, when I do that, I'm able to cancel these out to a 1, right? And we're left with 475 over 38 is equal to H. We can simplify this fraction to 12.5 in the calculator. And our height is 12.5 inches. Okay, so we can write our height will be 12.5 inches. And that's our answer right here. Okay, so I want you guys to do these on your own. So pause the video. Okay. Pause the video. And then hopefully you guys have the answer. Okay, so let's go over the answers. So number 1, it says find the lateral and total surface area of the prism shown below. Okay, so our lateral is always equal to capital P times H, where P is going to be our perimeter of the base. So our perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because here we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right, which is 20. Our height is this 8 3/4, which is the same as 8.75. Okay, and then when we multiply them, P times H, we got 20 times 8.75. In the calculator, when we get our answer, we should get 175 inches squared. Okay. For our total surface area, we have pH plus 2b. pH, we already know, is 175. We just found that. And we need to find our big B, our capital B, which is the area of the base. So the area of the base, we have 5 times 5, which is 25. So if we go over here, we have pH plus 2b. Our pH is 175 plus 2 times 25. In the calculator, we should get 225 inches squared. And that is our answer for total surface area. Okay. So the next question is that the lateral surface area is 149.6 centimeters squared. Find the height of the prism. Okay, so we know this, the lateral faces is 149.6, right? We need to find the height. Okay, so hopefully you guys found the height. The way we do that is we have our lateral is equal to pH. Lateral here is going to be our 149.6. We need to find P and H. So P, we know, is the perimeter of the base, which is this. So we got 4.5 plus 6.5 plus 4.5 plus 6.5, right? Because it's this plus this plus this plus this. Okay, that should give us 22. And then we can find our height. So our lateral surface area is 149.6. Our capital P is 22. And our H, we don't know what it is. So we got to think to ourselves, 22 times what number will give us 149.6? The easiest way to do that is to divide our value that we don't know by 22. Okay. And so 149.6 divided by 22 is going to be 6.8, and that is going to be our height. So our height will be 6.8 centimeters tall.